Good morning. I'm Robbie Crispin, and this is Quick Court, the fastest way to justice. We're here today in the case between Jimmy Lee Marcus and Gary Toronto. Gary is accusing Jimmy of never paying him back $1 he lent him. Jimmy claims he should be given more time. Gary believes if he waits too long, the dollar could finally lessen in value, making it unfair. Gary, I do think the dollar's value is going to decrease, but I don't think it will decrease so much that it won't be worth anything.
It's barely worth anything as it is.
But economic problems are not Jimmy's fault. Or are they? I just wanted a candy bar. Whose side are you on, Fred? Please rise, for
you people make me sick. I think I'm going to puke. Bailiff, get me a bucket.
Nice going, Jimmy. Well, Judge Triton has fallen ill. We'll need a replacement judge before the trial can begin. That should be easy, right? Probably. All she does is sitting up there, complaining and listening until she can throw someone in jail. How hard can that be? But who would want such a job? How about me? I'm your teacher, and I believe I saw Gary lend the money. I don't know. Perhaps someone who is not a witness should do the judging. I'll be fair. We now have 4th grade teacher Mrs. Betts hearing the case. Hold on, boys. Gary, you said Jimmy asked for $1 just after the quiz on Monday, right? Yeah, why? I assigned a worksheet after that quiz. You both should have been working on that. This isn't working. Well, are there any other adults who want this job? I should hear the case. I'm with the local newspaper. This would be great for my article. Heck no. You always ask annoying questions in the middle of my speeches. At least he'll focus on the cases at hand. But he didn't. He asked numerous questions, and all of them had nothing to do with what mattered. Fred and Jimmy will need to find another candidate. Wait. Who says the judge needs to be an adult? Yeah. There are lots of kids in my class. They were there and kind of know what happened already. And hopefully they'll concentrate on the issue. But the students were the worst judges of all. Jimmy's always getting me in trouble, but I won't be able to pick on him if I send him to jail. The real problem is that they both like me. I guess I could always pick on Gary too. Who's nerdier? Why can't they choose fairly? Why do they have to have opinions? We need to find someone who doesn't really know us, who won't choose for a friend, who doesn't hold any grudges, and who will listen to the facts. I think there's only one person in town that could do that. It was decided that the case would be postponed until Judge Triton gets well. A week later, the trial was finally held, and even though Jimmy still hadn't paid Gary back, it was decided Gary could have not agreed to loan the $1, and Jimmy was declared not guilty. Thanks for being fair. It's what a judge does. All I care about is getting the trial over with. Okay guys, that's a wrap.